Ultimate Guide to Laundry: How often you should wash everything. Laundry routines vary, leaving many confused about frequency. Advice conflicts as moms say sheets need washing twice weekly, experts suggest once. This guide clarifies the debate conclusively. Individual laundry needs vary based on workplace environment, sweat levels, fabric type, weather, and activity. Customize your laundry schedule accordingly, as one approach doesn't fit all scenarios. Wash tights, leggings, exercise clothing, and swimsuits after each wear. Avoid dryers to maintain elasticity and prevent bacterial growth. Wash leggings post-exercise. Bras and pajamas last 3 to 4 wears. Wash jeans sparingly, clean outerwear seasonally. Home linens need specific schedules, with sorting, temperature, and detergent choice vital. Balance laundry frequency. Wash too little, risk bacteria. Wash too much, damage fibers. Textile research advises washing denim and heavy garments less often to protect fibers. Underwashing causes fabric buildup, leading to irritation and odors. Adapt washing frequency to lifestyle. Use senses to decide. It's a delicate art in this laundry business, but now you're equipped to master it. Extend the life of your clothing with proper laundry practices.